Well, here's Dan's update. I have trains up and running. I've got most of my main tracks in now, and testing out the tracks, see how they're going to transpire. I'll give you a little sample here. So I got the rock work all done, and I'm finishing the center over there, and I'm going to put an industry right there. I'm running the train fast so you can see where it goes. So goes through there, and then it's going to go into the center area here where we'll have more of a track area. So that's my update. So far so good. Quite the challenge, but very rewarding. Learning how to do everything from soldering, which I just did there today for wiring. I used a new tool. Here it is right here. I'll show it to you. This butane soldering iron works really good for little use. So that's it for the update today.